bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Fix RCA AV color or sound issues on Samsung TVs by first checking the red, white, and yellow cables to ensure they're properly connected. Test the RCA cables with another device to confirm they're working. Then, select the correct input source in your TV settings, usually labeled AV or composite. If problems persist, reset the TV's picture and sound settings to default. These quick steps usually solve most issues.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.